up on your head, girl. Let it know answer.
What me name? Shamana! What me name? Shamana!
Me man know which one I know can't mind the days. Girl, which one I know can't hold the days.
Orlando Shibada is back in double dose.
Them girl in a mongrel. You are History Channel. Them girl that Nickelodeon and Disney.
At Wekiva High School, 2501 North Iowasa Road, Saturday, December 3, 8 p.m. For info call 770-789-7004. Don't miss Bad Boy Trevor and Shibada in double dose at Wekiva High School, Saturday, December 3.
We not argue with the other man who's them by their shortcut. You hear me I tell you? No, but from she come in here, she have got a shot between her foot tight. And Christopher Columbus tried to discover that and get tired.
Wekiva High School, 2501 North Iowasa Road, Saturday, December 3, 8 p.m.
What a nice way for put ore.
So what's some man? I see this ore, yeah. She can't quench any thirst.
Not that one, yeah. I'm not thirsty.
Jesus, deliver me, deliver me, deliver me. I must stop it now. Every time I get something young, you disturb me. Oh, you mean me not thirsty? Look how long me and you am tough crackers, more water now.
At Wekiva High School, 2501 North Iowasa Road, Saturday, December 3, 8 p.m. Don't miss Bad Boy Trevor and Shibada in double dose at Wekiva High School, Saturday, December 3.